You can see some of the raccoons on the trees there. They were climbing down like squirrels. And I was wondering what they were. So we are here at the Whalers Cove in Point Lobos National Park. And you can see lots and lots of crabs here. This is a place where divers can dive and explore the ocean down here. Looks like there's lots and lots of kelp here, which is very good for the marine wildlife. You can see some of the kelp has washed onto the rocks here, and it provides a lot of nutrients to the marine life, which is why there are crabs all around on the rocks here. You can see the entire rock face here covered with mussels. It's huge areas of mussels all around. There's quite a bit of kelp that's hanging on to the rocks there. And see the pelicans resting down there. So the red color leaves here are called poison oak, and if you come in contact with them, it could get a bit itchy. The area around here is just filled with wildflowers. This is probably the best season to come. Even on the road when we were traveling, it's like miles and miles of wildflowers everywhere. Look at all the moss hanging on the branches of the tree. And I see a squirrel eating something out there. Let's see what he's eating. Oh yeah, he found some good food to eat. It's a really cool, nice morning. That's the first sea lion we have seen here, and I'm sure we'll see hundreds more later on, but this is the first one we saw today. You can see some of the kelp growing there, those beautiful bulbs that are hanging up there, and they grow pretty tall and long under the water. As you can see, the branches of this tree come down all the way to the ground, and one can potentially find shelter and even camp in this protected region. So you can see here the orange and green color moss on the same tree. I wonder what causes the change in the color. We'll have to research that sometime. Look at this tree and how exposed the roots are on this. It seems like the rocks under the roots have probably eroded out and the roots are very exposed, and because of the wind the tree never grows too tall. The branches touch the ground and the tree flattens out pretty fast there. It's quite interesting how the tree can grow on a rock like that. Very unique landscape here at Point Lobos. This is pretty unique sight. The yellow flowers are actually growing on a dead tree trunk like that.
What is that? Wow!
That is a pretty awesome bird.
That's cool.
A couple of seals over there that are trying to come out. Yeah, there you go. You can see the cormorants nesting in the cliffs here. There is that other cormorant with the black and white features. See a whale, I see a whale. Oh yeah, oh there are two whales, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm catching it. There is a seal swimming in the greenish water. And as you can see, there is a beautiful cave out there. As you can see, the seals are basking out in that protected beach out there.
They all just decided.
Oh, they're all deciding to go to the water.
I guess they're going in batches. That place is called the Bird Island. Those rocks are not connected to the landmass, and they serve as a important habitat for the birds since nobody can approach them. Oh yeah, that is a baby bird. It is just starting to come out.
Yeah, those are not.
Wow, there are those two baby birds. And then on the right side, there are a couple more baby birds in the second nest. Wow. So this is where the pelicans seem to be hanging around, on a slightly different rock than where the cormorants were frequenting. But I don't see any baby chicks of the pelicans, so either they are nesting somewhere else or this may not be the season. I don't know, but I don't see any chicks. So this is the Lost Hills oil production area here. It's a pretty huge area with plenty of drilling machines, rigging machines going on here. You can see there are some storage containers there, and there are these lots of oil drilling equipment just keeps going continuously 24/7.